Good morning, everybody. Today we will try to understand how to calculate atomic mass. Earlier, we have studied about the structure of an atom. There we observed that negatively charged electrons revolve around positively charged nucleus. The nucleus consists of positively charged protons and neutral charged neutrons. So for calculating atomic mass, we have to calculate the mass of the nucleus. That is, we have to add number of protons to that of number of neutrons. Here we can see the structure of carbon atom. The carbon atom consists of 6 neutrons and 6 protons. For calculating the atomic mass of carbon, we have to add the protons and neutrons, that is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Similarly, we can also calculate the atomic mass of sodium or other elements. For sodium, we have to add the protons, that is 11, and neutrons, that is 12, and we will get 23. Now, question for you. Calculate the atomic mass of nitrogen. The number of protons and number of neutrons are 7. For calculating this, we have to add protons and neutrons and we will get answer 14. Now, a tricky question for you. Calculate the number of neutrons in oxygen. The number of protons present in oxygen are 8 and the atomic mass is 16. For this we have to use the formula where atomic mass is given and we have to add proton plus neutron. Proton is 8 and neutrons we have to calculate. By subtracting 16 by 8, we will get number of neutrons, that is 8. I hope you have understood this concept. Please share, like and subscribe for more educational videos. Thank you.